Join me on a nature walk on the nature coast. That's a juvenile glossy ibis. These whitetail are in the brush hiding out from the heat, prancing around. They even got to see a bald eagle. What a treat. America's national bird. This manatee just floating around. If you've ever wondered why they call them wading birds, that's a little juvenile blue heron. He's wading in the water, foraging for frogs and fish, any kind of bugs he can find. He'll soon turn blue. Yep, these pelicans were on the hunt. And pelicans have 3 stomachs. Wow. Gulp that fish right down. Here we have a nest of big-headed ants. You can see all the minor workers working around the smaller ones. Every once in a while, you'll see some of the major workers, or the soldiers, with the big heads, used for protection and crushed food for them. They're really cool to watch. Alright, here's the story with this eastern diamondback rattlesnake. As I walked up, I happened to see the squirrel casually walking by this rattlesnake, and he didn't attack him. So I said, something's not right. So then I noticed this big stick in the middle of the trail. Somebody must have whacked him really hard. So I moved him off the trail. And I get it. People are scared, especially a deadly rattlesnake or any snake. People just have a fear of snakes, whether they're venomous or non-venomous. But your chances of being attacked are far greater when you actually attack a rattlesnake. If they had just walked by, kept their distance, there would have been no issues. The snake would have moved on off the trail. He was just out there warming himself up on the pavement. So next time you see a snake, just walk around it. Keep your distance and get to enjoy nature